Forget boring black rectangles. This keyboard isn't just a tool, it's a statement, a trip back in time with all the modern bells and whistles. The YUNZII QL75 is truly a head-turner, bringing a unique typewriter-style aesthetic that instantly elevates any desk setup. Its beautiful wood finish and those wonderfully retro round keycaps make it feel like a cherished antique, yet it's packed with cutting-edge features. One of the first things you notice is the thoughtful design. Each key row has a gradually ascending height, which isn't just for looks. It provides a genuinely ergonomic and comfortable typing experience. And speaking of comfort, the QL75 comes with pre-lubed onyx switches, offering a smooth, satisfying press right out of the box. But if you're a keyboard enthusiast, you know the real fun begins with customization. This is a fully hot-swappable mechanical keyboard, compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. That means you can easily swap out the onyx switches for your preferred tactile or linear feel, chasing that perfect clicky sound or a deep, resonant thok. It's a playground for personalizing your typing or gaming. Connectivity is another area where the QL75 shines. It boasts tri-mode options, seamless Bluetooth, a speedy 4 GHz wireless dongle, and a reliable Type-C wired connection. This versatility makes it compatible with virtually anything: Windows, macOS, Android, laptops, PCs, smartphones, even your TV. And for those who juggle multiple devices, it's a dream come true, allowing you to switch between up to 5 different gadgets effortlessly. Plus, a built-in large battery capacity ensures this keyboard is always ready for long work sessions or intense gaming marathons. But the customization doesn't stop at switches. The QL75 is fully programmable with QMK via support, unlocking endless possibilities for key remapping and macros. And for a touch of modern flair, the vibrant RGB backlighting offers dynamic LED effects, letting you personalize your setup with a spectrum of colors and styles. It's a fantastic blend of vintage charm and contemporary tech. Perhaps one of the most practical and charming features is the integrated stand holder. Tucked neatly into the design, it perfectly cradles your phone, tablet, or pad, keeping your devices firmly in place and saving precious desk space. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. So, if you're searching for a keyboard that breaks the mold, offers incredible customization, and brings a touch of nostalgic charm to your desk, the YUNZII QL75 is an absolutely brilliant contender. It's a premium gift for anyone who values both style and functionality in their everyday tech.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.